Flurona meaning Flurona is an informal name used to describe a situation in which a person is infected with both the flu and the COVID-19 virus at the same time. Flurona is a term used to describe a twofold infection, also known as co-infection, which is defined as two illnesses that occur at the same time but are distinct from one another. It is neither a single sickness or a novel strain of COVID-19 that has been identified. The term Flurona is a combination of the names of two diseases, the flu, a popular shorthand of influenza, and coronavirus, a shorter version of coronavirus, which is a virus that spreads through the air, specifically referring to COVID-19, which is one type of coronavirus. Unlike the word twindemic, which normally refers to a possible, simultaneous large-scale epidemic of the flu and COVID-19 among a community, but not necessarily in the same individuals at the same time, Flurona refers to a simultaneous large-scale outbreak of the flu and COVID-19 among a population. Following reports of persons being infected with both the flu and COVID-19 in the same week in January 2022, public awareness of and usage of the word Flurona increased, particularly in the media. However, occurrences of such twin infections did not begin to appear in January 2022. In fact, such cases and reports of them were already being reported before to the coining of the word Flurona. Viruses are responsible for both the flu and COVID-19, but they are distinct viruses. The flu is caused by an influenza virus, whereas COVID-19 is caused by a coronavirus, see below. They may have symptoms that are similar to one another, yet they impact the body in distinct ways.